Hello, my lovely people. Paula here at Health Rediscovered. I thought today I would share with you one of my absolute favourite points that really helps you sleep. There are lots of ways we can help improve your sleep, but this point is used for basically all types of insomnia, whether it's that you can't get to sleep or if you get to sleep but then you wake up a lot. You can use it at any stage to improve the quality of your sleep. Um, the point literally translates, the name literally translates as peaceful sleep. And with acupressure, so there's lots of different ways you can do it. You can press and hold anywhere that you're doing, so just apply a pressure that feels good for you. You can rub it, do a bit of massage, or you can pulse, or you can even like flick. For this point, because what we're trying to do is calm you down and help you feel easier and sleepier, I would tend to do more of a hold or a massage rather than the more invigorating, flicky type stuff. Would be my recommendation. So, this point, I need to go side on. Excuse my hair, apparently needs a cut. So it's behind the ear. So if you come from, like, tuck underneath, right underneath the ear, and then just slide your hand back a little bit, you'll feel a big lump, a big hard bony prominence. And we're going in just behind that. So you can allow your finger to slide back until it's almost slipping off the bone, but not quite. So it's sitting on that bone, just sliding it in there. Same on the other side. So there's 2 points that equals, or two locations, so one on either side is 1 point. So from behind the ear, you feel the big lump. So you're just going in a straight line back to about there. And it might even feel a little bit tender. You've got a few muscle insertions in there, so it can feel a little bit tender. And you can, as you can see, I'm just sitting giving it a little circular rub right now. Or you can just put a bit of pressure on. Just depends what works for you. What I would say is make absolutely sure that the pressure is comfortable for you. If it is uncomfortable, sore, annoying in any way, shape, or form, you are a grown up. Stop doing it. You are responsible for your own health. So don't hurt yourself doing this or anything else that I suggest. If it doesn't feel good, then stop it. If it doesn't feel like it gives you what you need, then stop it and try something else. What I quite often recommend with my patients with insomnia, by the way, is to apply pressure to this point while at the same time doing a bit of breath work. So there's lots of different versions you can do, and I've talked about that in other videos as well. One of my favourites is the box breath. So you imagine squaring off your breath. So all 4 parts of the breath are the same length. So like an in breath, and then there's the hold between the in breath and the out breath, and then there's the out breath, and then there's the pause between the out breath and the in breath again. So you're making this little square and make them all the same number. The other one that you can do that's very popular that I enjoy as well is just 3, 4, 5. So you breathe in for the count of 3, hold for the count of 4, and then breathe out for the count of 5. If you do that for like 5 minutes while doing acupressure, chances are you'll fall asleep. Don't feel obliged to do it all, and if you start getting sleepy, then stop doing it. You can even do it on your kids if they're driving you mad during the night. Just get them in a nice little cuddly position and just sneak your fingers in and give them a nice wee massage. There's other points you can also combine. It does depend what's going on. There's different types of insomnia, and there's dream disturbed, you've got unable to fall asleep, and you've got unable to stay asleep, and they all have different root causes. And this video is just about a general sleep aid, but there's lots of different ways you can look at it. And if something you ever want to explore with me, or another acupuncturist, by all means, or herbalist, or whatever therapist you decide to go with, then explore it further. And of course, in my opinion, it goes without saying, any concerns, any issues this flares up, then please do go and speak to your GP or NHS 24, or contact me if you're one of my patients. Bye for now.